Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare Shopify with a Prestashop. The first thing I'm going to share with you is what I actually recommend for you to use, like in what situation I would choose Prestashop over Shopify and vice versa, in what situation I would choose Shopify over Prestashop. Then I'm going to compare like pricing plans, also templates and features. So let's start. Now, if you're looking for your stores to be built fast, like let's say that I want to just create a store, choose a template, and then just start writing blogs and posts, and then also use Facebook ads, Instagram ads to get traffic on my website, I would go with a Shopify, definitely. Only because if you want to build it fast. But if you like HTML, if you like to build literally everything by yourself, that you don't want to have so many apps like you have in Shopify, that you want to just build the whole ecosystem by yourself because you have the knowledge in HTML, etc. In that way, Prestashop is going to be better. Definitely. So it really depends how much time you want to save and how much how big you want your store to be. What do I mean is that in Shopify you got few disadvantages comparing to Prestashop, that you have to pay for it and it's quite expensive, but most importantly, always gonna pay additional fees using all payment providers other than Shopify payments. So let's say that someone is going to buy a product with PayPal. You're gonna pay a fee to PayPal, and then you're gonna pay fee also to Shopify. On basic account, it's 2%. In normal, it's 1%, and then it's 0.5. So it's still quite expensive because like those fees are going to add up. In Prestashop, you don't have it. But this is what you're gonna pay if you want to use actually Shopify, right? When you go further to themes, they got both themes that you can use. I like Shopify that you're gonna have so many categories here that you can choose from. So it's like really effective to choose that. But again, if you want to build a website by yourself and you or like with the help of someone, in that way, Prestashop is top notch. Now in Prestashop, you can have it available in 75 languages, 195 different countries use Prestashop, and SEO are both on the same level. I can't really say that Prestashop is better, but it's free, so it's like open source that you can edit it as much as you want, but you always have to keep in mind that you have to pay for domain, for the SSL and stuff like that. So that's where you're gonna have to pay, and it's going to take you time to actually build the website, right? And plenty of themes on Shopify are paid, so there are not a lot of free themes. So not only you have to pay for the plan and also the fees, you have to also pay if you want to for the theme. If you like I don't know, the Streamline for 180 USD. So this is something you should keep in mind. And also you can try the free trial on Shopify. I really like the simplicity of the Shopify. So like everyone can actually build it, only because like I have the ultimate sales boost here, which can like convert your traffic that's going to come on your website to customers. And it's much easier to do it on Shopify. So that's pretty much it. They are both good, but my recommendation, I would go with a Shopify all the way because I want to build the website fast and quickly. But if you like to play around with things, go with the Prestashop. So yeah, both got multi-languages, both got multi-currency if you want to send everything internationally. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much guys for watching. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.